welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. Today we are making a very simple buttermilk ranch dressing. I'm using the herbs from my garden. First, you're going to start with a cup of veganese. You can use mayonnaise as well, but I prefer veganese because it doesn't have the raw eggs. That way you can give it to any age. Then I use a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. I like the consistency of that, and I like the idea of using yogurt instead of sour cream. It's a little bit healthier. Then we're going to use a half a cup of buttermilk, and that's going to measure out to about here. And add 4 scallions, just the white parts, chopped. About a half a cup of basil packed. Half a cup of dill packed. If you don't like one of these herbs, you can replace it with something else that you do like. The juice of 1 lemon, we're just gonna freshly squeeze that right here into the blender, or at least the blender canister, and then I will turn the blender on. The other half, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That was a funny noise. All right, there we go. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I prefer flavored olive oil. If you can get basil or lemon, today I'm using a lemon olive oil. You can find that usually in your supermarket or at a specialty store. The lemon gives it a nice bright flavor. A few grinds of freshly ground sea salt. A few grinds of freshly ground black pepper. I would say probably about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. I give it a taste after you blend it up. You can't take it away, so don't add too much. You can always add more. I'm gonna blend this up real quick and then we'll pour it out together. Okay, the dressing is all blended and you'll see it's gonna pour out so nicely. And it makes about 2 to 2.5 cups. You can save it in the refrigerator for about 5 days. That's perfect. This is perfect on a salad, or you can use it as a dip for your wings, or try it just for a dip for vegetables. I hope you love it. Recipes on the website.